My name is Adam, and I'm going to tell you about my daily routine. Every day, I wake up at 7 in the morning. I'm often a little tired, but I get up right away. Then I go to the bathroom. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and take a shower. Then I get dressed and go to the kitchen. In the kitchen, I have breakfast. Usually, I eat a slice of bread with butter and jam, and I drink a coffee or an orange juice. Sometimes I eat a fruit like an apple or a banana. After breakfast, I get my bag ready and leave the house at 8 o'clock. I go to work by bus. The trip takes about 30 minutes. I arrive at the office around 8:30. I work in a marketing company. In the morning, I read my emails, answer the phone, and attend meetings. At noon, I have lunch with my colleagues in the cafeteria. We often eat a hot dish with salad or vegetables. In the afternoon, I continue working on the computer. I write reports, send messages, and participate in projects. My work ends at 5 o'clock. Then I take the bus to go home. When I arrive home, I rest a little. I read a book, watch TV, or listen to music. Then I prepare dinner. I like cooking simple meals like pasta, rice, or an omelette. Sometimes I order a pizza or a taco. After dinner, I do a bit of cleaning, organize my things. I also talk with my family or send messages to my friends. Sometimes I go for a walk or go to the gym. Around 10 o'clock, I get ready to go to sleep. I brush my teeth, put on my pajamas, and go to bed. Before sleeping, I read a little, or checking the news on Facebook and Instagram. Then I sleep and rest for a new day.